Another thing I picked up, believe it or not, was this stupid thing. I can't find my other air hose thing, so I picked up a Auto Basics. Where'd I buy it at? TJ Maxx, of all places. It's just a tire filler. It's got an air thing on the back. I think I paid like $10 for it. $15, something like that. It holds the hose like so. I'm not trying to knock it. All it does is put air in tires. Nothing fancy. Picked that up. I also picked up a... What else did I pick up? What else is in here? No. Where'd it go? I think that was it. Oh, I bought a bunch of, what do you call it? Kids goggles there. One thing I know is about TJ Maxx, they have a lot of cheap stuff. And if you go there, you get some really good name brand stuff that sometimes is just a little bit whacked. And yeah, so I needed a new tire filler. So my air in my tire was low. I'm surprised it doesn't have a battery in it. Everything today comes with batteries, except for this one. But that I gotta put back in my car. It's loose. Something's loose in here. The way it's broken. Is it broken? What the hell's loose? Oh, it is not loose. Okay, thanks for watching.